Complimentary breakfast in this global hotel chain you shouldn't miss. Unboxing Holiday Inn Express Munich Olching. Complete hotel room report. Full buffet tour revealed. And is it really inside Munich City?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Tree Papa's channel. Good day from Olching, Germany, a quiet suburb just outside Munich. During peak seasons like Oktoberfest, hotel prices in Munich can skyrocket. That's why I'm here at the Holiday Inn Express Munich Olching to give you the full hotel report. Before we dive into the details, as always, let me share how I got to Munich. Previously, I was in Muscat, the capital of Oman, and flew straight to Munich on board Oman Air 7878 in business class Apex Suite. Visited Oman Air flagship business class lounge. For the full details, check the link below. Now back to the topic today. Since the Holiday Inn Express Munich Olching isn't in the city center and there's no direct connection to public transportation like the Bahn, I highly recommend visiting here by car. A one-way taxi ride could cost you around 100 euros. This hotel opened in 2020, so it's still relatively new. Upon arrival, it has the classic Holiday Inn Express vibe. The lobby is colorful and feels youthful, with local maps on the wall, showing nearby attractions. Unfortunately, I'm here for business, so I didn't get to explore much. If you know any must-visit spots in this area, let me know in the comments. There's a vending machine and a small bar in the lobby. Now let's head to my room, 204.
Okay, so I stay in the Holiday Inn Express today. Just like usual, first simple classic. It's a mirror over here. Oh, they got iron. That's a good one. Bigger mirror. Close center. A chair. Small chair. It's a queen size bed. It's quite compact. However, it looks quite clean, so that's a good thing. Let's take a look at the view. My view is the gas station and McDonald's. Basically, they show all the features, but they wrote in German. However, the icon is quite clear. Power plug is EU type, and near the bed there's a USB port. Another one. No, so only one side. Near the small desk, it's also USB charger. Okay, let's take a look at the toilet. I think it's for center size. Hair dryer, sink. There's a shower room and only one small stove.
Alright, that's all for the room tour. Simple but clean and neat for a short stay. It's almost dinner time, and I've got two options. Order a pizza at the bar, or grab a burger at the McDonald's across the street. Before reveal the full breakfast offerings.
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Good morning, and let's unbox the complimentary breakfast buffet, a standout feature of the Holiday Inn Express brand. And this one is no exception. Let's see what's on the buffet. A selection of pastries, cold cuts, cheeses and some veggies, yogurt and fresh fruits, cold and hot drinks, plus cereals. The hot food options are a bit limited. Just boiled eggs and pancakes. Well, that's pretty standard for European breakfast buffets. Here's what I ended up with. What do you think? In summary, As an express type of hotel, the Holiday Inn Express Munich Olching delivers consistent quality in room cleanliness and breakfast offerings. It's a smart choice if you're traveling by car, whether for business or a family trip near Munich. That's all for the hotel report today. Hope you like it very much. In my next video, I'll be flying out of Munich Airport T1 with a visit to Airport Lounge World and a trip on board Oman Air 737 MAX 8 for a 7-hour business class journey. Will Oman Air maintain the same level of service on a narrow body as it does on the 787-9?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.